Hi, welcome to the NBA NetWins Analyzer. This is the database that I use to write the articles that I provide on Substack. And the link to the Substack articles is right here on the page, netwins.substack.com. I also have a podcast in the same location. And what you'll notice is that the top half of the website has an explanation of what the statistic is, how it's calculated, and gives you all the math behind what I've done here. Now, what's important is actually the data. And you'll find that the data is grouped and put into a full library ranking of combined average season, top three seasons, and peak seasons. You could search for any player in the database, and by clicking on the player above or by typing in the player's name, you can add them to a career chart. And that way you can see the number of wins that they contributed throughout the course of their career. All of the individual seasons are on the season table tab. An interesting thing to know about the season tab is that the NBA didn't record blocks until the 73-74 season. So, in the case of Kareem Abdul Jabbar, who I've pulled up here, some of those uh, seasons are missing, and you can actually play with the numbers yourself and recalculate those numbers to redo the rankings. Now, in the area down below, it has a list of over 300 players right now. Basically, everybody who's been in an All Star game or the Hall of Fame and has five or more seasons in the NBA. And all the players here are sortable. They're sortable by any of the statistics I mentioned before, by average season or peak season or top three seasons. And they're also sortable by position. And what's interesting with this is some of the players who played in the ABA. I actually have a slider here which will allow you to change that additional weight. I started with 90%, but you can slide that however you like, and that will update the rankings that are here. So I hope that gives you a good idea of how the site works. The site is at willf123.github.io /NBA-net.wins. Thank you.